Cameron Dyson, Nicholas Birch,
Paige Henson,
and David Wright.
Limitless is a pill product that claims to increase strength and stamina after one day. The active ingredients are kale extract, vitamins B and C, and aspartame, among other things. We set up an experiment to test this claim.
So today we took the drug Limitless, and this drug Limitless claims to up the athlete's performance in just one day, and it claims to increase both their strength and their stamina.
To do the experiment, we took a group of 30 individuals from a men's soccer team.
And the reason we took these 30 individuals from a soccer team is that usually when you get a soccer team, everybody's about the same build and the same physical conditions, so we wouldn't have one guy that's way bigger than the other or anything like that.
We divided the soccer team into two groups, randomly selected to prevent any selection bias. The first group was given a placebo, while the second group was given the Limitless pill.
So what we did is, as they came in, we named them 1 and 2. So group 1 was our control group, and they didn't get anything at all. And group 2 was our experimental group, and they got the pill. But we didn't tell either one of them that they had the pill. They both assumed that they had the pill, but neither one knew which one had which.
To prevent any third variables, we ensured to give the athletes the same diet, workout regime, and they were all given the pill at the exact same time right before practice.
So for the actual experiment to test the strength and the stamina, we had the players run 1.5 miles, and we recorded their time, and then we had the players do push-ups until they couldn't do anymore. And so we did a first trial without the pill at all. We took the whole team and we got them to run 1.5 miles, we got them to do the push-ups as many as they could do, and we recorded all that just to see what it would look like without the pill, so we could find a base number. And then we gave them the pill after a day, like the pill claimed, and to see if it would work after 1 day. And so after the first day of taking the pill, they came back and they did the same test again. They ran 1.5 miles, and they did the push-ups until they couldn't do it anymore. And then we did a continuous experiment through about 3 weeks, and we had them come every day, take the pill at the same time, and then after 3 weeks, we had them come back and do the push-up and the run test to see if the pill worked if it worked better after a certain amount of time.
In the control group, there wasn't much of a change in any of the results. They stayed within the same range, probably 2 or 3 more push-ups and maybe 2 or 3 seconds on the run time. Whereas the experimental group here, there was a noticeable difference. In the push-ups, after 1 day, there wasn't much of a increase at all. There's maybe 2 or 3 push-ups. Whereas 3 weeks, there was an increase of 20 push-ups on average. Same goes for the run time. On average, they ran about 12 minutes before they took the pill. The day after, there was maybe a 15-second increase in their run, or decrease in their run time. Whereas 3 weeks, there was a whole minute, or 2 minutes and 30 seconds faster than the beginning.
So the drug Limitless that claims to work after just 1 day, after seeing the results of this experiment, I would say the claim is false.
But after 3 weeks, there is an increase in stamina and strength.
So it seems that the drug works, just not after 1 day.
Guys, I need to get me some of this.
Science rules.